one is about the integration. Use the substitution 2x equals tangent theta to find the exact value of this integral. Give your answer in the form a plus b theta, b pi. So first of all, using the substitution 2 equals tangent x, if we square both sides, we get 4x squared equals tangent squared. And if you add 1 to both sides, we get 1 plus tangent squared. We do this because we're gonna get from the MF19, we have this formula. We can use secant squared, and we can integrate secant squared. So we can replace 1 plus 4x squared with secant squared. And now if we divide both sides by 2, we get x equals 1/2 tangent theta. And if we find dx d theta, that is the derivative of x, or the derivative of 1/2 tangent theta with respect to theta. So we get the derivative of tangent is secant squared, so 1/2 secant squared theta. So this means we can replace the dx with 1/2 secant squared theta d theta. And now, since if we use inverse tangent, theta is inverse tangent to x. So when the x is 1/2, you plug in 1/2, you get inverse tangent 2 times 1/2, you get pi over 4. And when you plug in x equals 0, inverse tangent 2 times 0 is 0. So that means you can transform the limits of the integrations. So now we are ready to substitute everything. We start with the limits of integration. Instead of 0 to 1/2, we use 0 to pi over 4. And for the 1 plus 4x squared, we use this. And for the dx, we use this. Now, if we simplify, we have secant squared divided by, so they cancel out. And now we have only 1/2 times 12, which is 6. So we have 6 over secant squared. Now secant is actually 1 over cos. So 1 over secant squared is the same as cos squared. Now if you want to integrate this cos squared, there's no direct formula in the MF19, so we're gonna have to use the cos double angle rule. So cos 2a equals 2 cos squared a minus 1. Using this, you add 1 to both sides, we can replace 2 cos squared a with 1 plus 2 cos a. So that's what we do here. We replace 2 cos squared a. Because of this, we replace it with 1 plus cos to theta. Okay, so we're using theta here. So now we integrate 1 with respect to theta, we get theta. We integrate cos, so the integral of cos is sine, so sine 2 theta divided by 2 because of the chain rule. And now we plug in pi over 4 and 0. So 3 times theta, 3 times this, we get 3 over 2. Plug in pi over 4, plug in 0. If we plug in 0, we get 0. And if we plug in pi over 4, we get 3 pi over 4. And here, use your calculator, you get 3 over 2. So the final answer is 3 pi over 4 plus 3 over 2. Alright, that's it. I'll see you again next time.